Do you know there is a jellyfish that can live eternally? Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the eternal voyager of the oceans, commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. This extraordinary marine creature possesses a superpower that defies the usual rules of life and death. When faced with adversity or old age, Turritopsis dohrnii can undergo a process called transdifferentiation, transforming its adult cells back into their earliest form. In essence, this jellyfish hits the rewind button on aging, reverting to its juvenile state and restarting its life cycle anew. Until next time, stay curious and stay subscribed.